Hey friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends, we are going to talk about how can we disable color correction mode setting in our Samsung phone. As you can see guys, this color guys, your icon color is different, your skin color is different. So how can you disable this setting? So we call it guys color correction setting. And when you want to disable your color correction mode setting in your Samsung mobile, so how to disable today I will show you. So first of all guys, we will on our phone setting to disable color correction. Then guys scroll it. Friends, you can see this type of setting. Friends, scroll it. Friends, you can see guys your accessibility setting. Guys, tap here. Guys, click on your visibility setting. Then guys again scroll it. Friends, you can see guys your color correction setting. Friends, tap here. Friends, you can see this icon guys. You will have to click on guys this front of guys on setting. Guys, tap here to disable your color correction. So friends, your color correction mode will disable. Friends, you can see guys your icon color is fine. Friends, you can see your phone screen color is good, means everything is good in your phone. So like that guys, you want to disable your color correction mode, so you can disable in your Samsung phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video, bye guys.